All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, buy the coin, hope it goes to the moon, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about a miner that just came out real shortly. Popcorn BUSD miner. Yep, this just came out. It's paid out in BUSD. It's on Moonark. We're going to go there and check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. We're going to go to their Twitter account. We're going to check out their Telegram. We're going to do a little deep dive in this. I threw a little bit of money in this. Remember, only throw in what you're willing to lose. Get this out of the way right off the rip. I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only, to document my DeFi journey in cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Popcorn BUSD miner. All right, here we are, Popcorn BUSD miner. Popcorn BUSD miner based on the Binance Smart Chain. Enjoy up to 16% daily rewards at 58.40 ROI. Where did I find this? You know where I found it. You got it right here on Moonark. Same place I found the BNB miner that I like so much. Same place where the Trust miner right here that's been going crazy. Look at Trust miner, it's up 25%. When I started doing a video on this video, it was at 22,000. Now there's 150,000 in this. Well, that has been out for 41 days right here. Well, right here, Popcorn BUSD, at this time of the filming, been out for 12 hours. There's 6,400 into this. I actually put my money in when there was about 5,800, so I didn't get in when it first launched, but I think this could do another one of these Trust miners. Trust miners is paid out in USDT, which is a stable coin. Popcorn BUSD miner is paid out in BUSD, which is another stable coin. Going back to the website. All right, so start mining. So you click to start mining. All right, so what did I do? I put 200 BUSD into this. It pays 16% a day. Right now I got 8 BUSD already earned. It's 15 hours left, so 24 hours. So I've been in this for 9 hours. So 9 hours, I'm making about 1 BUSD an hour. I'm making the digging is being out at 9.63 feet per hour. Right here, you have to approve your BUSD. I actually went to approve 100, and then I decided to throw 200 in. So 200 BUSD, as you should get about 1,600 miners for that price. Here's a couple things. The contract balance, there's 6,400 in this. Miner rules. Hire miners using tokens with BUSD. Your miners will start digging, placing the tokens they will find into their barrel. You can compound your earnings and use the hire button to hire more miners. You can withdraw your tokens in the barrel, or you can pocket your BUSD. So right here, you can compound your BUSD, or you can pocket your BUSD. There's a referral program of 13%. I'll put my link in the bottom here. It says you can earn BUSD tokens for inviting new users to join BUSD Popcorn. The Popcorn miner contract has a direct one-level referral system, so there's only one level of referrals. When you invite users to withdraw their tokens, promote the referral link and get 13%. How to start mining. Help and instructions for DeFi ecosystem. 5 things. Number 1, enter your BUSD amount. Number 2, click and hire miners. Number 3, the miners will find tokens. Number 4, compound daily. And number 5, withdraw your profits. So over here, instructions, send BUSD to MetaMask or your Trust wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. Number 2, in the MetaMask / Trust wallet. Now, I know some of you already know this, but there are people that are still brand new to crypto, so this is pretty important. In the MetaMask and the Trust wallet browser, connect your PancakeSwap and swap your BUSD to BUSD. Well, you're not going to swap your BUSD to BUSD, so swap whatever you're getting. If you have a ETH, or if you have Dogecoin or Binance coin, whatever you got, you're going to swap it to BUSD at the Popcorn miner site. Approve the amount of your BUSD token you wish to spend. Enter your BUSD for the amount of hire miners you want. Click hire the miners. Compound your daily to hire your miners to increase your profit. Withdraw your profit using your pocket your BUSD button. The objective of the game is to hire more miners sooner and more often than other players. This in turn, you will earn BUSD faster, hiring more miners, using your daily BUSD earnings. Will 3x your miners within 30 days or less. Now, they're probably going to do the same 6 and 1 on this, that you actually compound for 6 days and you claim for 1. Did not know about this, which is no big deal. But again, you want to basically invest and play with whatever you're willing to gamble with. I actually, again, put 200 BUSD into this. Checking this out, I had some success with other popcorn projects. Going over to their Telegram. They got 2,100 members. You can check everything out here. They're audited and docs team. The project is completely safe for investors. They have all their thing that's going on. Popcorn to the moon, $16 each day. That's what basically they're saying if you put $100 in. Popcorn to the moon, 16% daily, $16 a day. Popcorn to the moon. So you can check everything out. Go check out their contract. All right, again, this is another project. It just launched. So if you're into miners, if you like all the miners that I used to have, here, let's go over the ones that I used to have that used to actually pay. Baked Beans used to do good. Ruby Miner used to do good. The Grinch Bucks used to do good. All the miners that I had from months ago, they're not really paying anything more anymore. Cooked Rice, that used to do good. So if you're still into miners and you're looking for one to get into, you may want to check this out. I'm also going to cover the Dino BUSD miner that I just got in a few days ago here. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, let's head over to Dino BUSD just to show you my progress on it. If you made it this far in the video, this is a little bonus for you. Some of these I throw $100 in, some of them I throw $30 in, sometimes I go heavy. On this one I actually put $500 in. Take a look right here. I already claimed 200 BUSD because I get $40 a day. On the 7th here, literally in a day or so, I'm going to be able to hit the withdrawal and I'll have my total withdrawal. So right now I have 200 BUSD actually sitting there. The thing I like about this is when I actually got into this, there was about 78,000 BUSD sitting in there. I think yesterday there was 92,000 BUSD sitting in there, and today there's 108,000. This one pays 8% a day. When you withdraw, you have a 2% withdrawal fee. The devs make 4% and 2% for marketing, which is fantastic. I'll link my referrals in the bottom here. I'm trying to do more USDT, BUSD miners because, again, some of these miners with FTM and everything else, the coin just drops too much, and then it's hard to get your ROI. Check this one out. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. They also have a lottery here that you can play for the lottery. They have a 30 BUSD lottery. They have a 50 BUSD lottery and a 200. This one is $5 to get into. This one's 10 BUSD to get into. This one's 50 BUSD. You got to have 6 people to participate. They already got 2 and they're waiting for 4. This one, you need a maximum of 5. This one, you need a maximum of 4. But they have a lottery that's attached to this that actually helps out the system, the ecosystem. So check this out. Again, Dino BUSD. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Popcorn BUSD miner, Dino BUSD. So yeah, the flavor of the week is USDT or BUSD. All right, back over here at the Popcorn BUSD miner. Check it out, everybody. The KYC right here, they're audited. They got their docs up here that you can check everything out. A high-risk investment, earn 16% a day, walk on the popcorn, the claims, everything. I'm not going to read everything here. They got a nice little roadmap of what's going on, how they plan on to do this, referral program, popcorn launch, the whole 9 yards. All right, everybody. Wanted to do a little one on a new project that just launched, Popcorn BUSD. Also give you an update on the Dino BUSD. When I actually make that withdrawal in a couple days, I'll actually do a video on that. I mean, I claimed the money. I claimed it. I got 200 BUSD sitting there, but I haven't withdrawn it. You got to wait a week before you can withdraw it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. Click right here so you can learn about BNB Miner, another great project. It's been out longer than Drip, longest project on the planet, paying out 3% a day and BNB, which is fantastic. And click right here for the Cake of Fortune, another one of my favorite ones. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day.